this motherfucker off real quick. No exhaust, sound shit bag. Hey man, same dollars. Better tap in for it's goddamn too late. For real, not for real. You did on goddamn sand, boy. Today's video is just gonna be a simple install. I'm gonna be installing the carbon fiber eyelids that go right here on the headlights, for both sides. So that right now we're gonna go ahead and pop this motherfucker open and let's check it out inside. So I went ahead and got that motherfucker unboxed. It came with a keychain, some 3M tape, and then the carbon fiber eyelids. It's gonna look really nice on the car, man. It's gonna be a good little touch to add on to it to match the overlay on my grill as well. Now we went ahead and got the carbon fiber eyelids installed to the car. We got a lot more content coming out. Better keep tapping in for it's goddamn too late. For real, not for real. You dead on goddamn sand, boy. I'm gonna do a little quick pull real quick. Quick little 0 to 130 pull. You dead on goddamn sand, boy.